Hi, welcome to the Ply Planet, and we've got a question from surface areas and volumes here. The question says that there is a cubical block of 7 centimeter. The side of the cubical block is 7 centimeter, which is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Right? So, if we carefully draw the cubic here, so suppose cubic would look like this from, if we are opposite to the cubic, right? So this is how the square would look like, and the hemisphere is surmounted on it like this, right? Now what it is saying is that the cubical block, the edge of the cubical block is 7 centimeter. Now the question here is, what is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? So if we carefully look at this figure, the greatest diameter of the hemisphere would be equal to the edge of the cube, right? So we can say that the greatest diameter of the hemisphere will be equal to the edge of cube, right? And that means that will be equal to 7 centimeter, right? And now they are saying find out the surface area of the solid. Now here we got to be very careful, and that is like, see, because this is a cube and 5 sides of this cube are open, right? And on the 6th side, which is the top side, this one, this is not open, and this is basically surmounted by the cube. So instead of 6th side of the cube, right, this will not be counted in the total surface area, right? This will not be counted by in the total surface area. Instead of this, we will count 5 sides of the cube and this side of this surface area of the hemisphere, right? So this is like surface area of the hemisphere, right? So if we write down the surface area of the solid, so that will be equal to the surface area of the 5 sides of the cube, that is 5a square, plus the surface area of the hemisphere, which we already know is 2 pi r square. Now we already know the value of a, and r is this, which we just found out. R is not this is diameter 7 centimeters. So we can say from here the radius of the hemisphere will be 7/2, and that's going to be 3.5 centimeter, right? Now let's put these values in the question and we will get the answer, right? So let's simplify also. R square, that is 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. So 7 cancels with this is like 0.5, and this is like 5 multiplied by 49. So let's further simplify it. This is like 44 multiplied by 0.5 times 3.5. So that comes to 175, and that's like 1.75, right? So yeah, So if we just simplify this, we will get the answer also. And let's just quickly, I'll use my calculator. Give me a second and I'll get you the value also of this. So that's like 49 multiplied by 5, that's like 245. That's 245 plus 44 multiplied by 1.75, and that's 77, and the final answer is 322 squared centimeter, right? So that's the answer, and that's the surface area of the solid which we have, right? So I hope you could understand this question, and it was simple enough. Again, it was, just to understand the language and draw the diagram right. That's most important in these questions. Just focus on the language. Don't, like, every word has a meaning, and every meaning has an impact on your diagram here. So keep watching. I'm coming up with more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.